Let's highlight the importance of being a good citizen and fulfilling one's duties to society. So let us now take the place I enjoy my friend Vikas to lead us in the place.
Stretch your hands forward. Vikas commands to pledge. Yes, my country. Yes, my country. I am sir. I am sisters. I am my country. I am proud. Now I am saying straight news. Telangana, Namaste. Artist host, Nalgonda. Thank you. Happy morning, everyone. My name is Hassan. I am going to say Kalyan Director. My name is Hassan. I am from Director. My father name is Ethan Ram. My mother name is Jessica. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is Rosa. My favorite color, my favorite game is Kabaddi. My favorite subject, science. My favorite, my best friend name is Leena. Thank you. Thought a thought of the day can set a positive tone for the day. So I would like to call my friend Niharika to share a thought before us. Happy morning, everyone. My name is Niharika. I am studying grade 4 student. Now I am going to say thought. Thought. Action words loud. Action speak louder than. Action speak louder than words. I repeat it again. Action speak louder than words. Thank you. Happy morning, everyone. My name is Sri Sankirtan. I am from grade 4 Coral. Thought. New word. Like fraction. A fraction which denominator is same. Friends, please spell after me. L-I. K-E. Like. Yes. Today now I am doing square. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 60, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100. Thank you.
Happy morning, everyone.